As you can see, all the lights are on except for my low beams. Okay, y'all, so my lights, low beam lights, have been going on and off at night, and now they kind of don't come on at all. The low beam lights are going to be out here, so I'm going to try to change out this fuse block, which is right there. Got to take this plastic cover off, and then there's going to be a couple nuts to take off. Could be your ballast, could be the bulbs. I know my bulbs are brand new though, or at least they're new enough. They're less than a year old, the bulbs. But I'm gonna change this out. This piece here I got from the dealership. This is called a fuse block, and it's gonna run you about $260. And there's the fuse block, there's the part number. That fuse block, it's $260 plus tax was $278. I saved on shipping because I just picked it up straight from the dealership. I'm gonna go ahead and start by disconnecting the battery, and then I just already took this little piece off. I'm gonna take this plastic thing off next, the lid, just to access those bolts. You gotta take this bolt off right here on the top. Take this bolt off right here on the bottom, and then there's two clips. There's one right down here that you need to press in, and there's another one right down here, right down there, that you need to press in also, and that'll lift it up. Then as soon as you pull it out, you'll see a lot of wires in there that you have to unclip off because they're clipped in there also. So it's gonna be tight. It's gonna be really tight to get out. Alright, so after you get this junction box off, there's gonna be a whole bunch of wires underneath there. You just gotta unclip them. It's gonna be like a prong that you have to release and pull down on these wires. I'm not gonna lie to you. The new relays, or the new junction box, does not come with these two relays, and these are pain in the butt to get off. But you got to pry them off. This first one here, not that hard. I mean, it's hard, but it's a little bit easier. I get this one off first, I think. I have to get some tools to get underneath the relay and push up on it, pry it up, because these are really hard to get off. New ones do not come with it, so just a heads up. So as soon as you get them off, you just put them in the new ones and go from there. Try not to damage the shell of them, because I almost did. As you can kind of see right there, I gripped it too hard with the pliers right there. All right, back in business. Looks like everything's working just fine. Low beams are working, no problem. All right, see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna try to post what I can with this car. If you guys like these videos, let me know, give me a thumbs up. All right, thank you.